In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp username. So this is new for 2026. The first thing we need to do is make sure that our WhatsApp app is updated. So to do that, go ahead and find your app store on your iPhone. And then what you want to do is go ahead and click on the profile at the top right-hand corner here. And then once this loads up, you want to go to app updates. So here you should be able to find your WhatsApp app if it does need a update. If you don't see it here, then your app is fine. So close out of here and let's go find our WhatsApp app. And from here, what you want to do is basically you want to go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner. And then from here, once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down until you find account. So once you're here, go to username under your account. And from here, as you see, you are able to create a username. So let's go ahead and create a username here. I'm just going to do this one here. And the username is available. You will have to make another username just in case the first one that you chose was not available to be used. So go ahead and hit save. And then I reserved it, and when the names become available, you'll be able to share your username instead of your phone number when telling someone how to contact you and to start talking to you on WhatsApp. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to create WhatsApp